Hey, welcome to Switch Suspension. My name is Seth. I'm going to show you guys around. Yeah, so down the hallway here, we just have some of these plaques from some of the times we've been featured in different truck magazines for different builds. Some of these are just like tech articles. These other three here are just a couple of trucks that we've built over the years. We're in the shop now. This is where all the installs happen over here on this side. It's a little messy right now. We're getting prepared for the DIno's get down this weekend. Got 3 bays for doing installs, mostly suspension work, all chassis work, and then of course we do some restoration / full builds as well. So air suspension, probably what we're most notable for. So full air suspension installs all day. Our shop van, kind of what we're most notable for doing. This was one of the first builds out of our shop, and we were doing a lot of trucks at the time, and we needed something for the shop to represent what we do, and I just didn't want to do another truck. I started this company out of my garage, mostly just drop shipping, started bringing some more products, building out our website, grew that into a full-time job, quit my real job, started doing it just out of my house, realized pretty quickly I couldn't have people come to my house and pick up parts. So got into our first shop, got our first employee, and then here we are now in our third shop, 17,000 square feet, 10 employees. We got a 1970 Chevy C10 step-side twin turbo Nelson racing motor in this truck, 2,000 horsepower, big wheels, 2415s, and then just some more projects over here, a couple of trucks that are in the works. Thanks for coming by the shop. Look forward to seeing you guys out at DIno's Get Down. Give us a call, man.